Yo, hello everyone, and welcome back again to a brand new video. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to create Microsoft 365 using Deped email. Now, Deped email is a government email, which not everyone has the access to it. But for those who work in the Department of Education, you will get the access to it. So to do that, first of all, to get the access within Microsoft and create Microsoft 365 using it, first of all, log into, as you can see, your Deped email. Normally, it should be on Gmail, not on Outlook or Microsoft services. Once you did that, you will find in there an email that has been sent to you by Deped emails that includes every information from Microsoft. Now copy the username and the password, head to the login page, which is Microsoft's portal, as you can see right over here, and then go around here and simply put the information such as the um, basically the password and the username. Then click on next. Once you have done that, enter the temporary password that's given to you, and then you will be taken to a page where of course you will be changing the password to a new one. Click on next, and then back up your account. You will have to set up 3 authentication, one through phone, one through email, and the other one is going to be the security question. Then authenticate your personal email by recovery one, and verification code will be sent to your to your recovery email. Once you did that, copy the code, paste it, click on next, and just like that, you have created your Deped linked email with Microsoft 365. It's very easy and simple. I hope you like this video, guys. There's nothing much about it. You simply, once you have done these steps, you'll get the access to it. The only hard part is to get the Deped email. Thank you guys, and see you guys in the next video.